Hi, this is a demonstration for prompt 2.1, the weak prompt example. This shows what happens when you give Claude a vague request with no role, no context, and no format instructions. Okay, let's paste. This is pasted in a single sentence. Write a risk register for my project. That's it. No project details, no contract type, and no formats. Enter. So what it's making right now is an Excel sheet for the risk register. It did ask me questions before, but I'm going to keep it very vague. And I said continue without answering. And here is what we get in Excel. So Claude has produced a generic risk register. This is very, very generic. Things like scheduled delay as later. I can't scroll for some reason. But yeah, schedule delay, budgeting, resources, stakeholder, technical quality, vendor, regulatory, security, communication, adoption, external. This added 14 risk scopes as all stated here. Yeah, so all these categories. Therefore, the defined risk scopes and the scope group are actually entirely correct. But it has no project context, so no FIDIC reference, no structure that we can actually see. This is what most people get when they first try to use AI, and it's why they walk away unimpressed. So this is a very, very basic risk register with no context. But in the next lesson, 2-point prompt 2.2, we'll run the exact same task using the race framework and see the difference. Thanks for watching.